Grow lights for plants. I have two plants that require some light in this low level shot, and we're going to show you what we have here, give you a nice close-up shot. We have an instruction guide, hardware parts, 3 lights, the controller and cable, the stand, 2 tubes, a screwdriver, a stake, and a power cord. 1/3 of the base you're going to match up like for like and snap into place, and repeat for the other 2. When all done, you got a nice perfect circle. You have a pole that's going to go into the base, a coupler, a pipe coupler is going to snap on, and your next pipe that you're going to add on with your lights. You put the stake in like so to the earth, and you have those options. What you're going to do is take the pipes off and make sure you add a rubber ring underneath each of the light. So this way, wherever you place your light, they will stay. Take your light, slide it up, put a rubber ring, and that will lock it into place. You're given an end cap. Simply slide the end cap on and place this on top of the coupler. You're given 2 clips. They lock on to the actual stem, like so. If you need more, you can use some Velcro. Using the 5-volt adapter they give you and adjusting the lamp to your liking, high, low, on the bottom bar, anywhere you want. I'm going to show you the different levels. It has 10 levels of lighting, and it goes up and down by the pressing. As I'm decreasing the level of light, you can see it getting dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. Then the next level is going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the brightest. And it go up and down by those presses. You have a RGB color. These are all 3 colors, red, white, and blue. This is just red and blue. And this is just white. Each one will give you a different spectrum. Check online and the information provided in the manual for that information. Over here on the control, there is blue, green, and red for the time. It is on blue, green, and red. For example, it'd be 2 hours, 5 hours, 12 hours, or manually. If you don't want the light on and you want to walk away and shut it off, you can do so by a single press. You cannot just hit the timer. You must turn on and hit the timer for the minimum amount of time. Check online for further detail. Grow light. Great for indoor offices, place that doesn't have light, that the plant will get enough nutrition. As you can see, we have a grow light underneath a couple of plants. I hope this product may be something you're looking for. If these ever get loose, they give you a screwdriver so you can tighten up each of the bolts, and you can raise and lower depending on the height you want, and you have to adjust the cable accordingly to the height as well. And these rubbers will stop the unit from falling down, and you can tilt it down like so and up like so and rotate it double the amount of light on one side or more. Grow light. I hope you enjoy the product. Some gifts for somebody in the household that wants to do herbs in the house, etc., etc. Enjoy your grow light.